A very good evening and welcome to all beautiful ladies of Me, Myself, Mom. It's really an honored moment for all of us to start our first TED Circle today. We at Me, Myself, Mom are now a part of a global community. TED Circles are being hosted worldwide, and we are now a part of this global network. Me, Myself, Mom is extremely proud and honored to host TED Circles with all your support and hope to take this ahead successfully in days to come. At Me, Myself, Mom, it's our constant endeavor to bring your voice out, the voice of mompreneurs, to the world as a flag of change, as a flag of inspiration and motivation. TED Circles, which we will be hosting every month, is an icing to that cake. We will be participating in the worldwide discussions every month. This will enhance our connect to so many change makers, thought leaders, and help us move beyond all boundaries. So let's take this opportunity to share something which is genuinely meaningful and impactful, not only to us as individuals, but also as people as a whole. I would like to begin today's session with a poem by Maya Angelou, which is very close to my heart and also relates to the topic of the day. Still I rise. You may write me down in history with your bitter twisted lies. You may trod me in the very dirt, but still like dust I'll rise. Does my sassiness upset you? Why are you beset with gloom? Cause I walk like I have oil wheels pumping in my living room? Just like moons and like suns, with the certainty of tides, just like hope springing high, still I'll rise. Did you want to see me broken, bowed head and lowered eyes, shoulders falling down like teardrops, weakened by my soulful cries? Does my haughtiness offend you? Don't you take it awful hard, cause I laugh like I've got gold mines digging in my backyard. You may shoot me with your words, you may cut me with your eyes, you may kill me with your hatefulness, but still, like air, I'll rise. Does my sexiness upset you? Does it come as a surprise that I dance like I've got diamonds at my meeting of my thighs? Out of the huts of history's shame, I rise. Up from a past that's rooted in pain, I rise. I'm a black ocean, leaping and wide, welling and swelling, I bear in the tide. Leaving behind nights of terror and fear, I rise. Into a daybreak that's wondrously clear, I rise. Bringing the gifts that my ancestors gave, I am the dream and the hope of the slave. I rise, I rise, I rise. So how do we agree to disagree? How do we live in this diplomatic jungle peacefully? It's not possible to come into conflict with people around us, even if we have conflicting views. We need to be strong, bold, and polished enough to get through all relationships, whether professional or personal. As modern women, we will be the last person to accept something which isn't right for us. But we also need to rise above the level of mere conflict and create a win-win situation. And that's what leadership skill is all about.